Good afternoon. Thank you all for coming. What a great turnout. It just shows the relevance of this topic and how important and timely this is. So I'm not going to be talking about too much logistics of CLIA certification. And if you have any questions, just contact me and I'll put you in touch with the accreditation department. They'll tell you how to apply for CAP certification. CAP certification, which is a regulatory agency also. But we are doing a lot with next generation sequencing, and I'm going to be talking about some of that. So, and if I express any opinion, those are strictly mine and not the CAP's position on just the general things that I will talk about in next generation sequencing. So the topics that I will cover is, first I'll very quickly introduce CAP for those of you who don't know CAP. Then I'll talk about, within next generation sequencing, adoption of NGS in diagnostic medicine and the factors driving that, and why setting standards is so difficult in a rapidly evolving technology, and also some of the standards that we have developed at CAP. So right at the onset, I'll tell you that we are publishing a new molecular pathology checklist, which will have a whole section on next generation sequencing. And that will be published July 31st, and you can definitely apply and buy a copy of that. And this is what I'm going to be spending in the last few slides of my talk. I don't want to go through each and every regulation that we have developed, but we have formed a committee and we are actively working on many aspects of NGS and genomic testing, as you will see. So CAP is the leading organization of board-certified pathologists and serves patient, pathologists, and public by fostering and advocating excellence in the practice of pathology and lab medicine. And it has several products. Unlike other professional agencies, it does have products such as the checklist for lab accreditation. It has proficiency testing products. It has quality tools and efficiency tools that, and also the CAP publication, like the archives, CAP Today, a lot of publications, and then CAP Education, which does a lot of CME courses that are online. These are called AP3 courses. So I'm going to be talking about this Council of Accreditation and this division that's working on the NGS checklist. And as you know, CAP has very high standards for lab accreditation. It's 10 times more stringent than CLIA and supposed to be really the gold standards. So let's talk about why NGS is getting adopted in diagnostic medicine. So we know that the Human Genome Project got completed in 2003, and that was really made a lot of research advances. Can everyone hear me? Am I moving my... Okay, great, thanks. So it led to technology and knowledge advances, but that was one generic genome, and it was actually a compilation of 5 individuals put together. And now we are at the age of individual patient genome sequencing that will lead to direct patient care, improved outcome, and that's the era of genomic medicine or personalized medicine. And so it's really the ability. Genomic medicine is made possible by the ability to analyze individual patient genome. It's almost becoming routine. And although we are not so routine with the whole genome, we are quite routine with NGS being used in large gene test panels or small gene test panel or exome sequencing. And that is here and now. So this